On a foggy Saturday morning, Wunderlich Park was draped in a soft ethereal mist that added an air of mystery to the surroundings. The tall trees stood like sentinels, their outlines obscured by the thick fog. The silence was only broken by the sounds of a pileated woodpecker. As the morning wore on, the sun's rays began to pierce through the fog, painting the landscape with a warm glow. I could keep hearing the woodpecker, and then I saw it. As the fog gradually lifted, the woodpecker finally flew off into the woods, disappearing from sight.